The Portuguese rule lasted for about 450 years and heavily influenced Goan culture, cuisine, and architecture. In 1961, the Indian Army invaded and annexed Goa after a 36-hour battle. The region was incorporated as a union territory of Goa, Daman, and Diu. In 1987, Goa was granted statehood. The Portuguese first arrived in Goa in 1498 under the able guidance of explorer Vasco da Gama, when he first landed in Calicut on the western shores of India. They were very much happy with the discovery and establishment of Cape of Good Hope, which turned out to be a very profitable trading route for them.
The state of Goa in India is famous for its beaches and places of worship. Tourism is its primary industry and is generally focused on the coastal areas of Goa with decreased tourist activity inland. Major tourist attractions include Palolem Beach, Waxworld Museum, Mollem National Park, Reis Magus Fort, Saturday Night Market, Dusaga Waterfall, Mankish Temple, and so on. Palolem Beach is known for its calm waters and for its nightlife, including silent discos where party goers wear headphones. The Waxworld Museum at Old Goa is the home to India's second wax museum. The Mollem National Park in Goa is spread over 240 square kilometers in Western Ghats. The Reis Magus Fort in North Goa is a small, beautiful, and very well maintained fort. The Saturday night market used to be a fun night out tourists would come from South Goa to attend. The Dusaga Falls is one of the highest waterfall of India. The beauty of nature attracts the tourists to here. The temple of Sri Mankesh is set amidst natural surroundings. Mankeshi, which is a little village, is a point of pilgrimage of hundreds of tourists from all over India and abroad. Foreign tourists, mostly from Europe, arrive in Goa in winter whilst the summer and monsoon seasons see many Indian tourists. Goa handled 2.29% of all foreign tourist arrivals in the country in 2011. Thus, tourism forms the backbone of Goa's economy.
Goans is the demonym used to describe the people native to Goa. They are peaceful, friendly, and fun-loving people who love rest. The people of Goa are very tolerant about religion and often participate in each other's festival. The culture of Goan Catholic is a blend of Portuguese and Indian cultures. After the Portuguese arrived in Goa in 1510, they adopted the Portuguese culture but retained their Hindu caste system and few other customs and traditions. Goan cuisine consists of regional foods popular in Goa: rice, seafood, coconut, vegetables, meat, pork, and local spice are some of the main ingredients in Goan cuisine. Goan food is considered incomplete without fish. The early traditional costume of Goa, when the culture was still establishing itself, people wear strings of beads and leafy clothes as a loin cloth. Goan Catholic women wear sari, known as Navvari.
Carnival. Perhaps the most famous of all festivals, the Carnival is the epitome of celebrations in Goa. It is celebrated for 3 days and 3 nights and preceded by the month of Lent. This festival brings alive every nook and corner of Goa. Food and Culture Festival. Despite being the smallest state in the country, Goa has an unending variety of rich culture and heritage. The Goa Food and Culture Festivals make sure that the whole world looks in good. New Year Eve in Goa. New Year stands for party and party stands for Goa. There is no other place in the country which is livelier than Goa. The whole state is indulged in celebrations the entire night. Three Kings Feast. One of the most popular festivals of Goa is the Three Kings Feast. This festival is celebrated in the village of Varam in North Goa and Chandur in South Goa.
The local handicrafts of Goa truly make for colorful souvenirs. You can find them wherever you go, peeking out from shops' windows and calling out to you in noisy flea markets. from intricate wood carving to colorful wooden lacquerware, from sturdy bamboo craft to delicate paper mache, from fabulous terracotta and brassware and art pieces made from exotic seashells, from intricate crochet and embroidery to rustic jute macrame, from delicate fiber craft to unconventional coconut masks. Goa's art forms are as varied as colorful as the land itself. Goa is a land of highly talented and artistic people with a rich cultural synthesis blending east and west most creatively. In addition to the classical, different forms of music and dance have evolved music and dance from the very fiber of rural Goa. Each occasion and region has its distinctive forms. The urban areas have adapted to modern and popular music styles. Folk dances bear a tradition of thousands of years, characterized by innumerable forms performed by and reflecting lifestyles, cultures, and aspirations of different strata, religions, or castes of Goan society.
How to reach? Goa can be reached via its sole airport, by train, and by the minibuses connecting the state with cities in India. The fastest way to reach Goa from the other Indian cities is to take a domestic flight. Best time to visit Goa. The best time to visit Goa is from November to February. These are the winter best months to visit Goa. The pleasant weather is perfect to laze around the beaches of Goa. Accommodation and food. Goa is one of the reasonable places to stay in as compared to rest of the India. During the peak season, which lasts from November to late March, the prices are very high, especially in December. 5-star hotels rates ranges from around 20,000 to 35,000 per night. All tourist spots charge more in the peak season. The last week of the year between Christmas and New Year, Goa is usually completely packed. Try to avoid that overhyped week and you will get better deal without the added pressures.